Good morning, students. My name is Sri Lakshmi. I am your science teacher. I hope you are all doing well at home. Coming to our lesson. In our first lesson, you are going to learn about the safety rules, first aid, and features of a good house. The whole lesson will be in two videos. In first video, you are going to learn about the safety rules. So, all of you take out your science textbook, Living Science, page number 18, open and get ready to listen the lesson. Okay children, our first lesson, safety and home. In this lesson, first topic is be safe. What do you mean by being safe? Being safe means avoiding dangers and not getting hurt. Think, how can we avoid accidents? Can we avoid accidents? Yes, most of the accidents we can avoid, but some are unexpected. If we are careful and follow the safety rules, we can avoid accidents. Okay, this topic is divided into 4 subtopics. First subtopic is how to be safe in the classroom. Suppose if you get angry on your friend, what will you do? Do you hit your friend? No, you are all good. You should not do like that. You should not hit anyone or throw things at them. If you hurt any sensitive place like eyes, it may lead to a serious injury. Do not stand on benches, desks or chair. How do you sharpen your pencil? Always use a sharpener to sharpen your pencil and don't use blade. You may hurt your fingers. Children, in art and craft period, while doing activities, sometimes you may use scissors and needles. Be careful while using them, and these are the some do's and don'ts in the classroom. You should always follow the teacher's instructions. Children, once again, all of you read along with me these important points. First one, do not hit anyone. Never throw things on others. Do not climb onto desks. Third one, always use a sharpener to sharpen a pencil. Fourth one, be careful while using scissors and needles. Fifth one, always follow the instructions given by your teacher. The second subtopic is how to be safe on the playground. All of you enjoy on the playground, right? By playing games, you will get physical strength also. Physical fitness is more important, and you should learn and follow the rules of the game whichever you play. And also, if you play with a ball and bat, do not hit any others which can cause injury, and always wait for your turn at swing or seesaw. Do not rush to play. Children, these are the some important points in this subtopic. First one, always learn and follow the rules of whichever game you play. Second one, do not hit others with a bat or a ball or anything that can cause injury. Third one, always wait for your turn at every ride. The third subtopic is how to be safe on the road. Children, do you know what is footpath? Footpath means it is a path for people to walk along on side of the road. I think all of you know about zebra crossing. Always cross the road only at the zebra crossing. And before crossing the road, you should do first look to your right, then to your left, and then again to your right. Okay. Always you have to cross the road only when the road is clear. If there is a subway or footover bridge, use it to cross the road. Do you know what is meant by subway? Subway means it is an underground passage for crossing a road. What is meant by foot over bridge? It is a bridge just for the people who are walking to cross the road. While riding a bicycle, keep to your left signal before turning. You must know about traffic symbols. I think all of you know about this. What are the traffic lights? Says us, red light says us to stop, and yellow light says us to wait, and green light says us to go. Okay children, and you do not get into or get off a moving bus, and also do not put your head or arms out of a moving bus. In this topic there are some important points. All of you read along with me. First one, always walk on the footpath. Second one, always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Third one, while riding a bicycle, keep to your left. Fourth one, do not get into or get off a moving bus. Fifth one, do not put your hands or arms out of a moving bus. Our fourth subtopic is how to be safe at home. Be careful with sharp things like knives, blades and scissors. Do not leave your toys, bags, shoes on the floor. You or someone can trip over them. Be careful near stoves. Do not touch hot pans, boiling water, etc. And be careful while lighting candle and matches. Don't play with matchsticks. Do not touch any electrical gadgets or switches with wet hands. You may get an electric shock. And always take medicines in the supervision of adults. Adults means elders. Do not play with plastic bags, bed sheets or pillowcases by pulling them over your head. It may lead to serious conditions. Children, in this subtopic, there are some important points. All of you read after me. Stay away from fire and hot objects. Use scissors only in the presence of an adult. Do not play with electrical sockets. Do not throw about your toys on the floor.